Good morning, my dear. How are you, my dear? I think all are fine. This is my 10th class after class test 2. In this class, I will discuss importance of green economy, in which two topics I will deal. The first one is green economy and the second one is main elements of the green economy. First is, what is green economy? A green economy is an economy that aims at better standard of living and social equity through sustainable development, thus justifying the environmental risk and ecological imbalances usually related to economic growth. Students, the green economy is a new engine, my dear, of growth. It is built on an innovative system of economic activities that enhance social well-being, nurture healthy natural environment, my dear. Students, mechanism to deliver the green economy such as renewable energy, environment helpful to green business and technology, and the education of a skilled and agile workforce are simultaneously drivers and outcome of the transition, overlapping and catalyzing the future development of each other. Green projects such as enhancing the use of renewable energy that I discussed in the previous class, that it is divided in two parts, can create more jobs, bring in more revenues, and be cost effective in long run, my dear. According to the United Nations Environment Program, the green economy can improve human well-being and reduce social inequalities in long run. Listen, my dear, anyhow, we have to save our environment so that the in future the new generation cannot ask from you that what the environment that you have given to us. Now, more than 50 or 60 countries around the world have started the journey towards the green economy, with many seeking to achieve their ambition within a few decades. Now I am going to discuss the importance of green economy. See, student, my first point is creating a sustainable earth for our future generation. Listen, my dear, you have to keep the environment in such a way that our environment should not be polluted. I have already explained all the factors which can have disturbance to our environment. I already discussed we have to not cut trees. I discussed about the soil erosion. I discussed about the crop rotation. I discussed about the sound pollution, noise pollution. All these factors already I discussed in the previous class. So I am not going to deal these topics again. Now, second one, reducing air population. Sorry, reducing the air pollution. How you can stop air pollution? You know, the silencer of your vehicle emits sulfur, carbon monoxide, and these are not good for the environment, my dear. Cutting down the trees, that is not good for our environment, because if you do so, what will happen? the percentage of carbon dioxide will be more. As you know, trees are the medium through which your carbon dioxide that you exhale, that is converted into oxygen. So we have to think about all certain factors. Otherwise, in coming years, we all are going to face a lot of problems. We cannot blame to others, as you yourself is responsible for that. Suppose you are going to the market, what you do? You go with your empty hand and buy the grocery items, vegetables, yes, in a plastic. What is this? Is plastic good for our environment? It cannot be decomposed, my dear. It takes more than years, more than 100 years to decompose. So why we are going to use the plastic? Instead of that, we can use the jute bag. So whenever you have to go for market, for any purchasing, you must carry a bag. I'm not talking about again plastic bag. Avoid the plastic bag. I already discussed about the carpooling. Yes, the best example is the public transport, where many of the peoples, they can go at a certain place, understood, using only one medium, that is the bus. Now, the next topic is reducing global warming and its effect, my dear. You know, global warming, if I'm talking about the global warming, that refers to the steady temperature rise in our planet, my dear. Both land and oceans are warmer, my dear. This rise in the heat is caused by humans. The burning of fossil fuels, petroleum products you are knowing, my dear, has released greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, my dear, which trap from the sun and drive up, my dear, surface and air temperature. So please understand these all things. Otherwise, the new generation, again, they will be asking questions from you, my dear. Next one is transition from fossil fuels to renewable energy. You know, fossil fuels are limited, my dear. But we can convert this one into a new idea, like using the rechargeable batteries, using the solar plates, like getting the electricity. It's better than why not you plant, yes, the solar plates on the roof and get safe energy directly from the sunlight. That sunlight is going to be converted into electrical energy. Even you have seen some auto rickshaws, they are running with batteries, and these batteries are rechargeable. I'm not talking about that battery we use in our, yes, in remotes or in other gadgets that are not rechargeable. Once you have used, anyhow you have to dump it, but it is going to affect our soil. So use rechargeable battery. The best example I'm giving you, that is the inverter battery, which you can charge it. If once it is over, you can recharge it. It can run for a long years, maybe 5 or 6 or 7 years. And nowadays, the new technology that has come in our battery, that is the lithium ion. That battery can work 10, 15 years without facing any problem. And these batteries are charged quickly also, my dear. So divert your mind in such a direction. Don't be dependent on the traditional things which we are using now or already used before. We are in new era. So we have to do new inventions so that our environment should not be polluted. Now, the next one is low carbon, that is the reduction of all greenhouse gas emission. Already I discussed, my dear. Now, the next topic is energy efficiency. Energy efficiency. Now, I will be giving these all notes, my dear. I cannot write these all thing here. Understood? It seeks to adopt means and more efficient technology that uses less energy to provide the same level of energy service. I'll give one example. CFL. I hope many of the students, they have the CFL at home. You are having LED also. Just compare. What is the difference? Yes, only one difference. Light will be same. What the light you are getting with LED and what the light you are getting from CFL, both lights will be same, my dear. But there is one difference. It saves electricity. Which one? The LED one. So we have to think, yes, in such a way that not only it will save our money, it is going to save our environment also. Think about your some, yes, electrical goods like refrigerator, ACs, they are having ratings, star ratings, 3-star, 5-star. What does that mean? What is the difference between the 3-star and 5-star? 5-star means what? Energy saving, my dear. As it is costlier, no problem. But it saves your energy, my dear, electricity bill. So anyhow, we have to think about that, which is good for our environment. Whether its a budget, its a budget is higher, no problem. We will be thinking about such all gadgets, such all devices. Now, the next one is low carbon. That is the reduction of all green gas emission. Ultimately, you know it, my dear. If it happens, our green economic will, yes, what? Flourish, my dear. No one will be facing problem. Like many of those person, they are having asthma problem. What is the reason? Actually, the problem is from their lungs. Why? Only one factor is there. That is our environment that is polluted. Even we cannot breathe nicely. When you go, yes, during, yes, you go to the market.
Excuse
Yes,
me,
at
sir.
evening time.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, you will have
Roll
suffocation.
13.
You cannot inhale the oxygen nicely. Yes, what is the reason? There are many reasons, my dear. Our environments are polluted. Factories are there. Yes, a lot of vehicles running on the road. That are the main factors. So we have to think so that our new generation will be happy, my dear. And who can do it? We all can do it. I hope I have already discussed all the topics. Thank you.